Welcome back to Receptive Immigration, your one stop to travel, study, work, and settle abroad. So, today we are talking about Europe, different kinds of visas in Europe, about the work permit, at what age can you apply for a work visa, and so on. How to get a 1 year Schengen visa? Well, to be issued a multiple entry visa, you must have used 3 visas within 2 years. To be eligible for a 3 year multiple entry visa, you must have lawfully used a multiple entry visa valid for 1 year within 2 years. What is a D visa? Well, a D visa in Europe allows you to stay in any of the Schengen states for a period of 90 days in any of the 180-day period. It means that you can legally stay in the Schengen area only if your stay was shorter than 90 days over the 180 days period. The D-type visa is valid for a maximum of 1 year. Can I get a job in Europe from India? Well, getting a job in Europe from India can be challenging, but the rewards are great and it is possible. You can increase your chances of success by researching the job market, building a strong resume, improving your language skills, networking, and preparing for the job interview and relocation process. What is the age limit for a work visa? Well, you can qualify for the work visa if you are at the age of 18 and above, and if you're in between, say, 35 to 55, you can easily qualify for a work visa. Well, also to qualify, you need a work contract in a foreign country and at least 3 years of work experience in your field. Next question is, can I apply for a work permit in Europe from India? Well, first, Indian citizens should obtain a work visa to work in Europe. Each country in Europe has its sets of rules and regulations for work permits. And in European Union countries, they have high demand for highly skilled professionals. They lure the foreign professionals with skills that are in shortage of their countries. What is a multi-visa? Well, a 2-entry or a multiple entry visa allows you to enter twice or several times during the validity of your visa. Well, this is indicated on the visa sticker by 02 or MULT under the heading Number of Entries. So this was some good information on the Europe visas, and for more such updates, stay tuned because we are here to guide you to travel, work, study and settle abroad.